Namaste everyone. Hope everyone is fit and fine at home. My name is Rekha Kurekar and I'm your EVS teacher. Today we are going to learn about organizations that help us, part 2. We have already learned about the different types of organizations. The first one is government organization and second is non-governmental organization. We have already learned about the bank, that is government organizations, and these are the four departments of the governments in which we have already learned about the bank. The next one is police. Yes, what we should know, what are the roles of police? Indian police service is responsible for maintaining law and order in the country. It is the duty of the police to ensure the safety and security of the people. Now, police stations are located at various places. In this case, what are the role of the people? Now, as I already told you, government has set up some rules and regulations for the betterment of the people. So we should always follow these laws. If someone has committed a crime, we can report it to the police station. That is about the police. Now the next one is healthcare. Whenever you are not well, you visit to the clinic or hospital. Now, what are the roles of government in this healthcare? Government pays a lot of attention to provide the best healthcare services to its people. There are various government hospitals and dispensaries located in different villages, towns, and cities of India. On various occasions, government organizes special health camps to make people aware about various diseases and also about services being offered by the government. These are some of the drives set up by the government to make the people aware of the some of the situations, some of the diseases which are spreading in the country. Now, the next government organization is education. Now, you should know why education is important, why we come to school, why we are taking the education. First, education gives us knowledge. Education teaches us lesson of humanity. Education comprises good thoughts in human beings. Education tells many men how to think, how to work properly, how to make decisions. Education contributes to human development. Education gives us employment and identity. Education highlights the human talents. Education leads to innovations and discoveries. Education develops a meaningful outlook on life. These are some of the importance of educations. Now, these are some of the government schools and colleges. Now, what are the role of government in education? The children of 6 to 14 years of age have the right to free and compulsory education. Government runs several schools in villages, towns and cities to ensure that every child is educated. Government has also established several colleges and universities to provide higher education. Now, the second type of organization is non-governmental organization. Now, what exactly is this? Organizations that are not a part of government but work for the benefit of society, such organizations are called non-government organizations. These organizations collect funds through donations and use that money for social work. Here, government doesn't help them in terms of funds. Now, what are importance of NGOs? They help with the healthcare, education, provide clean drinking water, provide for housing, transport, schools, etc. They collect funds through donations. NGOs often carry out relief activities during calamities. They aim to help people in need and make them aware of their own potential power to control their lives. Now, this is the video which will help you to understand what are exactly non-governmental organizations.
Non-governmental organizations, NGOs. Besides these, there are various NGOs who work for the betterment of the community. They provide services such as educating the street children and illiterate adults, setting up orphanages and old age homes, providing free medical services, etc. There are several women's welfare groups that set up Mahila Mandals. These help women in healthcare and educate illiterate women. Some groups teach these women skills like weaving baskets, embroidery, making pickles, etc. so that they can earn some money and become economically independent. Local agencies play an important role in the functioning of villages, cities, or towns. We should always cooperate with them.
Yes, apart from NGOs, we have rehabilitation centers. Along with the NGOs, there are various rehabilitation centers that help people suffering from various unhealthy habits, including consumption of various harmful substances that causes health and behavior disorders. People suffering from such issues require help to overcome distress. Rehabilitation centers provide care and support to such people and their families. So this is all about the non-governmental organizations. Thank you.